And good morning, crypto enthusiasts. Today we're going to take a look at a couple different charts, as well as update some chart strategies and just see, where things stand after the past couple days. There are indications of a wider, wider bear move, so we're going to look at some of the contingencies we had plotted for that to update ourselves with some of the range values that we are looking for here. So real quick, we'll make it through a couple charts, so make sure to stick around. We've got Bitcoin, Ravencoin, Enjin coin, and Algo to look at. And real quick, of course, if you don't follow the channel, make sure to drop a subscribe. We put these out daily. We just like the charts, man, which is a nice segue into a reminder. This video, it does not serve as financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, nor am I your financial advisor. We provide financial education and entertainment through chart analysis. We have a bunch of other videos that we're starting to put up, so make sure to check out the channel. But taking a look here, we are seeing Bitcoin push down rather aggressively, and I still don't think we have necessarily broken down this 50,000 support. Yeah, I know we're through it, but I think really until we break like 46, 45, I think Bitcoin's still above this larger trend line. But that said, and folks that follow the channel know a couple days ago, I drew this dotted black line, and I was saying, I do have concern for the onset of a new trend line, and the recent moves over the past couple days are not necessarily encouraging for the trends. You look at the volume sold is also up a little bit after the past month or so of alt explosion, when Bitcoin volume was really seemed to indicate a lot of pent up holding that had been purchased throughout last year and to the end of the year, and even beginning of the year. So those concerns are pressing. Nice to see Bitcoin pushing back up a little bit, $49,464. I'd hate to be somebody that bought a whole Bitcoin at about $60,000 thinking, hey, it's going to go to 100, and now you are down 12,000. Where do those folks capitulate? Where do the institutions that got in for 52,000 per Bitcoin decide that it's time to get out? Let me know in the comments below. Are you concerned for the near term? I mean, I think most folks at this point that are watching these types of videos are used to market moves like this, and frankly are excited to buy more Bitcoin and altcoins. So, I mean, I think that's really how we feel about it. Is we're just trying to increase our coin holdings. We're kind of stop chasing fiat, or at least we try. So let's head on over to ENJ. Now this was a contingent a correlative contingent strategy that I was putting together, where I was thinking that, hey, if the Bitcoin collapses, it's got this sort of functional 2 to 5% correlation with Enjin coin, and if we see a downward movement in Bitcoin, we should see a similar downward movement by a factor of 2 to 5 on Enjin coin, which gave me this sort of total range decrease for a big retrace And if we go ahead and click through on this strategy, we see, you know, obviously we're not even that far into this. We do get a big change on this candle, and we get another bit down, and we've even dipped quite a bit down. So I'm expecting, you know, I don't know if we'll get all the way down here. I think I do kind of feel like we'll get a little bit lower than this. I don't know. I'm unconvinced that until Bitcoin's back above 55,000, I'm cautiously protective of the things that happened from what has been just one of the most outrageous bull runs of the crypto space. Shout out Dogecoin. God. So, moving on. Another cryptocurrency that we're watching, Ravencoin. Now, this is one we messed up a long time ago, and I know that folks appreciate hearing about that because a lot of times people just, everything's good all the time. I don't know, maybe if you trade better than me, everything is good all the time. But Ravencoin, one we've been watching, we like these coins that are still relatively cheap, but we feel like they were launched in a period where their projects were realistic and they probably have some staying power. You know, here we were looking and said, you know, if we go up, here's where we think we'll go up. If we break out, if we break down, here's where we think we'll go down. I was kind of looking at, you know, possible rebuys between 7 and 14 cents. And if we go ahead and run it, you know, we're right there. It looks like we bottomed around 10 cents, 13 cents right now. You know, it'd be nice to see, you know, potentially a little breakout buy here. You know, I'll even go, let's just go drop that on the chart. I can't help but want to see, you know, it looked like a nice little safety trade. Oh yes, the 30-day free trial. Nothing better than a 30-day free trial, I just don't care. Now let's see, I think we are on the Binance chart. If they'll let me do it. Oh, XTZ. Oh, ads. Why is that such a big deal? Alright, RVN. Binance chart. Perfect. Alright. So, that's nice, isn't it? 2 to 6 factor. That's nice. Oh my god. Oh, I thought they were gonna get me again. Whew. Sneeze clearing the headspace was a good reminder to hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments below what you think here of these ranges. I mean, so as far as like a long, I mean, that's atrocious. But, you know, getting in somewhere here, like right above the, oh gosh, these are just so sloppy. I don't know, I think other people just, I have an extremely large monitor. I don't get it. I don't get, yeah. I mean, that is a thing of beauty. Of course, I already have that over here. Really, the question I wanted to ask was this. See, this is what I don't like about these coins that get really cheap, but you could just play it really, try to play it really tight. And lastly, let's take a look at Algorand. I know the video we did recently, we were talking about, we think probably bounce back down off 150. Actually exceeded it quite well, and then came back down. If we look at it here, good upward momentum. lot of buying on Algorand. You know, still concerned with possibly uh, pent up selling, delayed, deferred selling that could happen over the next couple of weeks. Um, and I mean, the thing is, I really like Algorand. I'm not surprised we've sort of bounced off of the support more successfully than other other coins. I mean, let's take a look at just see the yeah. I mean, here you go. We've got a Ravencoin bounced 15%. Yeah, I mean, actually, about the same. So, good signs though from Algorand. I'm happy to see it in this range. It's good buy at 98, good buy at 63, good buy at 34. Frankly, probably a good buy at $1.50. So we're keeping our eyes on this one, and mostly just increasing that coin value. Nice little double top here. That's nice. A lot of different things that this could be drawn into, and it's one of the reasons why I prefer just trend lines and support, is that, you know, the bias in what you see is pretty strong, and trend line supports, correlative frames has less to do with sight. I don't know. Anyways, thanks folks for dropping by. Interesting update, interesting couple days. It does appear we are looking downward at the moment, but I don't know if we'll jump. We'll ride right off this cliff. I'm not necessarily singing Goodbye Toby today, like I was the other day, but that's alright. Anyways, make sure to drop the like, drop the subscribe, and have a great day.